everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Lmcu or Lake Michigan Credit Union mortgage account. So keep watching the video till the end and follow through the instructions. To log in and manage your Lmcu mortgage account, the first thing to do is to open a web browser of your preference. In the URL box at the top, type in lmcu.org and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Lmcu. From the main homepage, go to the upper right hand corner and make sure that you're clicked inside the login tab. From the drop down, click on your banking type. You can select between personal banking, business banking, or business plus. I'm just going to select personal banking for now. You can go ahead and select an option according to your banking type. And now enter your username on the next field. Make sure to provide your username and password that is associated with your online banking account. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions till the end to reset your password. After filling in both of your credentials, click on Login and you will be able to log into Lmcu mortgage account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.